Hello everyone, this is Audrey. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I make my eevelution animation. Step 1. Got wrecked by nostalgia feeling. Do you ever cry from watching your favorite anime opening? Step 2. Study the Pokemon. Since observation won't do anything to me, I draw each Pokemon one by one every day. Step 3. Find a good reference. Apparently, you need to get creative to find a good reference. I can't find the ones I need just by typing in cat running side view. Oh! After finding the reference, screenshot and break it down like what I do here. Step 4. Draw. Start with an old color pencil as a base. Since it's super light, I rarely need to erase it. Then use a pen, any pen will do, to draw the frame. Do not fear making mistakes. If you do, you can always use a pen corrector or the one I'm using here, which is Copic Opaque White. I'm using satay stick to apply it since the brush just doesn't work. Step 5. Scan the drawing, then test the animation frame. Open Illustrator. Use the image trace function to speed up the cleanup process. After that, copy the line art one by one to Photoshop. Revise and position the frame accordingly. Step 6. Color. Copy back the frame from Photoshop to Illustrator. Retrace the frame. Use pen tool to color the frame. Copy the color onto the Photoshop file, then position it according to the line art. Do not use Move tool to position the layer, since it will only change the layer position on that related frame, which will give you a headache when you need to revise your work. Use Transform tool instead. It will change the layer position permanently on any frame. Step 7. Put it all together. Export the frame one by one as PNG. Import it to After Effects. Adjust the animation looping by right-click the imported file, then Interpret Footage. Put the animation onto the composition. can duplicate the composition, then play around with various layouts. Now here is the fun part, adjusting the animation according to the music. Then that's it. Thank you for watching. If you're a fan of the Pokemon series, feel free to subscribe since I'm planning to animate more Pokemon in the future. Bye bye!